Hey, what's going on? So, today we're going to be taking a look at an LG air conditioner. This I picked up off the street. It was kind of just tossed on its side in a trash pile. It's not in too bad a condition. Even though it seemed to be just thrown on its side there. The panels are both look good. This one's got a little crack here. That's not a big deal. Oh, it's pretty dirty. Back's a little dinged up. Here's the label. I don't think it's too old. It's a 6,000 BTU. It's 410A. No date on it. I don't think it can't be more than 10 years old. The only thing I noticed wrong with it, it looks like somebody replaced the cord on it. And they've put one of these, just regular 3-prong plugs on it. It looks like an old cord they took off of something. It's supposed to have one of these type of plugs, a circuit breaker thing. Which I hate those things. Anyway, that's not a big deal. I'll put a newer cord on it. They don't have there's like no strain relief on it. They might have tied a knot on it in there. I can't tell, but it's supposed to have a strain relief right here. Anyway, that's not a big deal. I can replace that. So let's see if it works. This other air conditioner, that's a Zenith I got like last week. That one's got water in the plug, so I'm not going to be messing with that one. Alright, let's turn it on. I don't know if it will come on. It's kind of in the mid-60s here. I already took the filter out of it. What are we on here? Energy saver. Cool. Yeah, it's probably too cold for it to come on. You know, I'm gonna try just putting my hand over this. Hey, look at that, it came on already. Yeah, it feels cold already. Wow, the air feels quite cold already coming out. The middle's cold. The top's getting cold. The air's quite cold coming out of this already. I don't know how long I gotta keep my hand on this. It might shut off again now. Yeah, it's very cold. Got an LG compressor. Sounds quite nice. This panel's rattling on the bottom air conditioner. Yeah, it's very cold. Very cold. Yeah, this works good. The air kind of smells coming out of this. smells pretty bad. Oh, it just shut off. Yeah, it kind of stinks. Doesn't smell like mold. I don't know. It smells like cooking odors. I don't know. Yeah, it smells like cooking odor, like food smell. Oh, that's kind of gross. Put that back in. Let's put the filter back in. Yeah, this is a pretty good one. I can clean this up. This will be good to sell. Hopefully I can get rid of that cooking smell inside of it. But yeah, this will be good to sell. You know, this will clean up pretty good. Panels are in good shape and can straighten this back out. Not too bad. Doesn't look rotten or anything. So there you go. That's an LG. Whatever date it is, I don't know. Alright, I'll see you next time.